Hello everyone, welcome to Insect channel. So in the last class already we have discussed about why there is a need to study about the entomology and also what is the reason of the insect abundant on the earth. Then already we have discussed about the general morphology, like the insect body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Then the classification like kingdom, phylum, so everything we have discussed in the last class. So today we'll start about the head. Okay, so first you see what are the parts are there in the head. First is brain, but nerve center elsewhere in the body. So brain is found in the head, okay, but the nerve center you will find in somewhere in the insect body. Okay, then it has a pair of compound eyes. You can see these are the pair of compound eyes, this black color and this one, these are the pair of compound eyes. And also in some insect you will find the simple eyes. So head contains these compound eyes as well as simple eyes. नेक्स्ट क्या है, टू सेंसरी अपेंडेजेस कॉल्ड एंटीना. तो आप लोग ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पर, दीज आर द टू सेंसरी अपेंडेजेस जिसको हम एंटीना कहते हैं. सो एंटीना में इनका सेंस ऑर्गन होते हैं, जैसे कि दे कैन डिटेक्ट समथिंग फ्रॉम द distance or many functions are there of the antenna. Okay, so that thing we'll discuss in the upcoming classes. Then mouth parts are there, you can see here. This is the mouth part, you can see these are the eyes, these are the antenna. Okay, next we'll see thoracic region. So in the thoracic region, so it is divided into three segments. What are those? Already I told in the previous class, that is prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Okay, so on each thoracic region you will find three pair of legs. जो तीन रीजन है जैसे कि प्रोथोरैक्स, मेसोथोरैक्स और मेटाथोरैक्स. ओके, प्रो, मेजो एंड मेटा. सो इसी तीन रीजन में यू विल फाइंड थ्री पेयर ऑफ लेग्स. Okay, whereas you will find a pair of wings on meso and metathorax. Always remember, meso metathorax में wing सिर्फ होता है और तीन thoracic region में pair of legs रहते हैं. तो टोटल कितना पेयर हुआ, 3 pairs of legs are there and 6 number of legs you will find in the insect body. Okay, next is abdomen. So abdomen is attached to the thorax, which will contain more segments. Okay, so you can see these are the segment of the abdomen, 1 to 8, sometime 9, 10, up to 11 segments are there in the insect. Next, excretory system and reproductive organ you will find in this abdominal region. Okay, normally 8th and 9th abdominal region they contain the genitalian part of male and female. Okay, so also you will find the excretory system in this region. Next, life cycle. Okay, so before going to start about the life cycle, so I will let you know what is metamorphosis. Okay, so metamorphosis क्या है, मेटामॉर्फोसिस का डेफिनेशन क्या है. मेटामॉर्फोसिस मतलब एक ग्रेजुअल चेंजेस इन द बॉडी फ्रॉम द एग स्टेज टू द एडल्ट. सो अगर एग स्टेज रहता है, एग क्या होते हैं, हैच होके लार्वा बनते हैं, फिर लार्वा प्यूपा होता है, देन pupa will form the adult. So some gradual changes will occur in the body of insect. That changes is known as metamorphosis. This complete process is known as metamorphosis. Okay, so the definition is gradual changes occur in the insect body from egg to the adult is known as metamorphosis. Okay, so first we will see life cycle. So the insects are of two types. One is having incomplete metamorphosis, another insect or another category they are having complete metamorphosis. So incomplete में क्या होता है, एग स्टेज रहता है, देन निम्फल स्टेज और लार्वल स्टेज, देन डायरेक्टली वो एडल्ट फॉर्म करते हैं. इन इनकम्प्लीट मेटामॉर्फोसिस प्यूपल स्टेज विल नॉट देयर. Okay, just remember, in incomplete metamorphosis pupal stage is absent, whereas in case of complete metamorphosis all the 4 stages are there, like egg, larva, pupa and adult. Okay, see, you can see here incomplete metamorphosis like egg, then early nymph, late nymph. This is nymphal stage, so early nymphal, you can say it as early nymphal stage, then late nymphal stage also you can say. Okay, so egg, then nymphal stage, then goes to adult. So these are the gradual changes occurred in the incomplete metamorphosis insect. Okay, सो देखो, जब अर्ली निम्फल स्टेज रहता है, जब ये छोटे छोटे रहते हैं, तब उनका विंग्स नहीं रहता है. बट जब लेट निम्फल स्टेज होता है तब विंग्स डेवलप स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड इन केस ऑफ एडल्ट फुल्ली डेवलप्ड विंग्स यू विल फाइंड. ओके, सो in this category the example of insects are like grasshopper, then beetle. Okay, so these will come under the incomplete metamorphosis. You can see the other order Orthoptera, Hemiptera. Okay, these all are coming to incomplete metamorphosis. Then members generally possess 2 sets of wings, but some exception have reduced wings or no wings. So in this category what you will find, normally they will have 2 sets of wings. Okay, both the forewings and hind wings will be present, but in few cases some exceptional is there, they will not have the wings. Okay, or reduced wings will be there. तो जो इनकम्प्लीट मेटामॉर्फोसिस होते हैं उनमें जो ऑर्डर आता है, उस ऑर्डर में क्या होता है, नॉर्मली उनका 2 पेयर ऑफ विंग्स रहते हैं. ओके, फोर विंग एंड हाइंड विंग. बट सम एक्सेप्शन केस है जिसमें कि द इंसेक्ट इज हैविंग आइदर नो विंग्स और reduced wings. Okay, so bugs possess mouth designed to puncture and slurp the liquid. So ये सब अभी no need, you just remember the what is incomplete metamorphosis. Pupal stage will be absent, egg, then early nymphal, late nymphal and adult will form. Okay, then we'll move forward to complete metamorphosis. You can see complete metamorphosis: egg, then larva, then pupa, then butterfly. This is the adult. Okay, so there are 4 stages will be there: egg, larva, pupa, adult. So it is known as complete metamorphosis. So next presentation we will discuss about the mouth parts and their example. Okay, thank you all.